Konecranes is the industry-leading provider of lifecycle services for all types and makes of industrial cranes and hoists, as well as sustainable lifting solutions covering a full range of industrial applications. At Konecranes, we work hard to get to know our customers and understand their challenges by gathering basic information on current maintenance practices, the production environment, and the quantity, type, and application of their lifting equipment. We are able to recommend a maintenance plan aimed at improving the safety, productivity, and sustainability of our customers' operations. Let's watch how our sales professional introduces the concept of lifecycle services and connects this with our service programs.
Now that we've taken a look at your operations, counted and itemized your cranes and hoists, and assessed how you use your equipment, I'd like to propose a service agreement to optimize your asset performance and improve safety, productivity, and sustainability. Let's start by reviewing our life cycle services and our comprehensive, systematic, and collaborative approach to managing your assets throughout the equipment life cycle. Let's take a look at the offerings that make up life cycle services. Through inspections and preventative maintenance, we identify risks and improvement opportunities and support compliance. Predictive maintenance and remote monitoring helps us predict component or equipment failure and further optimize maintenance activities. With corrective maintenance and retrofits, our technicians address safety and productivity issues and help you capitalize on improvement opportunities. Our consultation services use advanced technology and trained specialists to uncover critical issues and help guide decision-making. Modernization services can help prolong the economic service life of your equipment. And finally, we can provide new equipment, from chain hoists to process duty cranes, as well as spare parts for all makes and models. Our lifecycle services are designed to maximize the productivity of uptime and minimize the cost of downtime, thereby achieving the highest lifecycle value for your equipment.
So what service program is right for my business?
We recommend our CARE Preventive Predictive Maintenance Program, which includes preventive maintenance inspections, compliance inspections where applicable, routine maintenance, and True Connect remote monitoring. We tailor the service program to your operations, taking into account crane usage, operating environment, duty classification, service history, manufacturer's recommendations, and statutory requirements. Upon arriving on site, we will perform a point of work risk assessment before beginning work because safety is our #1 priority. When inspecting your cranes and components, we'll use our risk and recommendation method. Our inspector will determine whether each component is in acceptable condition or if it needs attention.
What do you do if you find something that needs to be fixed?
Great question. We'll record, assess, and prioritize any safety or production risks. We'll also note components with an undetermined condition. This means we were unable to inspect it because it needs to be disassembled, which is not part of the scope of the program. In addition to risks, we'll also present expert recommendations and improvement opportunities with corresponding estimates. When we deliver our service program, we'll consult with you to help guide your decision-making. We'll share our findings, provide recommendations, and follow a systematic process in order to achieve high quality and consistency. Whenever a safety-related fault or issue is detected, our inspector will carry out a safety review with you before leaving your site or returning the equipment to operation. Then, following the completion of the service request, our inspector or technician will perform a visit review to share the insights of their inspection or maintenance findings and review the identified risks and recommended actions. Within 2 business days, we will follow up with a service review to go through any open recommendations, answer any questions, and plan the next steps. And finally, once a year or as needed, we'll conduct a business review. This is an in-depth review of your service program, looking at progress, feedback, and documented value. We'll discuss recommendations and plan jointly.
Can we add other services to the service program?
Yes, and there are services that are required to take advantage of predictive maintenance, including TrueConnect remote monitoring, oil analysis, critical components assessment, and design life analysis. These services provide the information needed to help us make informed, component-specific predictions and prioritize recommendations and actions.
That sounds great. How do you share service reports and maintenance information?
We provide a digital record of your maintenance information and TrueConnect data on your Konecranes customer portal. The portal lets you quickly and easily see your service reports, open risks and recommendations, asset condition and usage data, agreement details, and more. We'll also use the information on the portal in your service review and business review. This gives you a complete view of your assets and your relationship with Konecranes online at any time. Now, I'd like to review our offer with you based on your specific needs. We assembled a detailed list of your assets, which includes 12 cranes, 8 normal use, and 4 heavy use. Therefore, for each crane, you will need 10 monthly frequent inspections and 2 semi-annual periodic inspections. Routine maintenance will be required quarterly. There are a few additional services we'd recommend to further increase safety and productivity. Are you aware that pre-shift inspections are required according to regulations? We have an easy-to-use app called CheckApp for operators to record their inspection findings. The reports are then available on your Konecranes, so you have a digital record for internal auditing and compliance. We have another digital product for inspecting slings and accessories that uses RFID tags for easy identification. The inspection information on your Konecranes can help you centrally manage your accessories and provides a record for compliance. And finally, knowing that operator error is the prevailing cause of crane-related safety incidents, we recommend on-site operator training for your personnel. We can discuss these items during future visits or whenever you are ready. I'll send the details of this service agreement to you by email, in addition to what I leave here with you today.
Sounds great. When do we begin?
Right now, let's get you set up in our system and schedule a date to get the program started.
To learn more about Konecranes programs, products, and services, and what might be right for your business, visit us at konecranes.com. We look forward to hearing from you.